The Thompson 3000 series mixer mincer is just right. Not too big, not too small. Yes, if your operation is somewhere between a supermarket and a large industrial processor, the Thompson 3000 is just right for you. Achieving output rates in excess of 3,000 kilograms per hour, with a second cut output rate of up to 1,800 kilograms per hour, this is one impressive machine. And why? Because it's built Thompson tough. Just look at the features. The removable stainless steel mixing arm offers an efficient mix and dispensation of the product and is programmed with an automatic forward-reverse cycle. The efficient right-angle feed screw channel incorporates a hygienic stainless steel feed screw, barrel and lock ring to ensure thorough product mincing without squashing or pulping the product. Through available design options, this model is capable of processing tempered and frozen product, allowing additional flexibility for your processing demands. Powered by not one but two independent helical gear reduction units, it will deliver quiet, continuous, trouble-free operation year in, year out for many years to come. Solidly constructed of heavy-gauge stainless steel with seam-welded corners throughout, the Thompson 3000 mixer mincer is very easy to clean. Just check out how easy it is to disassemble the unit for cleaning.